Calculating the value of an algebraic expression. We must assign values to all variables of an algebraic expression in order to find the value of the whole expression, i.e. turning it into an arithmetic expression. For example, the value of the algebraic expression, we have the following shown on screen. We have x equals 5, y equals 1, and z equals 2, thus, we obtain the following shown on screen. Example. Calculate the value of the following algebraic expressions for m equals 3 and n equals -2. A. 2m squared minus 4m n minus n3 plus 2. B. 5 m minus n. That is all for lesson 6.1.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.1.3, Terms of Algebraic Expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.